Hello Android developers, my name is Mohsen and I'm back with a video about another Android Jetpack libraries. But before I start, let me first thank you for supporting my YouTube journey and second, for your kind feedback on my monthly interviews with the Android community active members. I'm so excited that you like this category and I will keep doing it. With that out of the way, let's start. As an Android developer, I believe there were points in your app where you needed to store sensitive data like API keys, OAuth tokens, and other type of secrets. You are also aware of security concerns and risks of storing plain data, and then you are required to do some encryption. But which key is a secure one? A hard-coded one inside your code or a runtime generated one? And in that case, where should you hide those keys? Having all those questions in mind, Android Jetpack Security library is here to give a proper answer. The Jetpack Security aka JetSec crypto library provides abstraction for encrypting files and shared preferences objects. JetSec is based on Tink, an open source cross-platform security project from Google. Under the hood, Jetpack Security library uses a master key that encrypts all subkeys that are used inside your app. This key is generated and stored in the Android key store container, which stores them in the trusted execution environment aka TEE or StrongBox to make them invisible and hard to extract by hackers. I will add a link to the video descriptions to those who are interested to read more about TEE or StrongBox in Android devices, but long story short, a StrongBox means that the keys are stored in a secure chip, namely Titan M chip in Pixel phones, whereas TEE or hardware-backed means something more generic like somewhere outside the Android OS. For a quick demo, I prepared a sample app that gets a piece of sensitive information from the user and stores and retrieves it using encrypted shared preferences. The UI is a very simple text field and a button that saves the value of text field inside the shared preferences designed by Jetpack Compose. For the beginning, let's add the dependency to the project. To start, we should get the app master key alias by calling masterkeys get or create method. For apps with higher security, you can configure the key generation and even use the biometric prompts to get a time-based key for an extra level of protection. I will also share some references in the video descriptions for those interested in having that extra layer of security. Later, we can define an encrypted shared preferences by calling the create method on top of this class and passing proper parameters. The rest is the same as using the normal shared preferences. You can put a string inside it or get a string out of it. Now let's run the app and see how it works. Let's take a look into that shared preferences file content. As you can see, there are two records for the preferences key and value key sets which are already encrypted by the master key. And the third record is our app stored key and value, which both are encrypted. The reason behind encrypting the key is that maybe that also contains some secret. That's it. Thanks for watching, and please continue supporting this channel by liking and sharing this video if you found it useful. And also do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell button to get notified about new videos. See you soon in another Android developer tips video. Bye.